Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and make sure to subscribe for getting daily updates. So my worst fear has come true. The OnePlus Z will be called OnePlus NORD. So that means it's time for a Dwight Schrutes.
Wait. No. No, 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 no. No!
Although did you guys know that Nord means north in French? That's a bit of knowledge for ya. OnePlus NORD. Also, OnePlus made an official Instagram account for the OnePlus Z Lite Nord thingy, but they still haven't accepted my follow request. I guess they hate me, and understandably so, but they only post memes and stuff, so I'm good OnePlus if you don't wanna accept me. But coming back to the main thing, where the OnePlus Z Lite Nord thing is even able to beat the much more expensive OnePlus 8 Pro, and that is in cameras. The OnePlus Nord has the most amount of cameras OnePlus has ever put in any smartphone. The very first leaks of the OnePlus Z showed that it will feature a single selfie camera in a punch hole in the middle of the screen. However, new information contradicts earlier statements. According to new confirmed reliable source Android Central, the OnePlus Z, damn, I keep calling it the OnePlus Z, OnePlus NORD. The OnePlus NORD will have dual selfie cameras in a pill-like shape. The selfie cameras will be placed on the left side of the phone, so it will look something like a flipped Galaxy S10 Plus. The selfie cameras will be of 32 and 8 megapixel respectively, with standard and wide-angle lenses similar to the Pixel 3 XL's arrangement. Dual selfie cameras haven't been seen in any OnePlus smartphone till date. Even the much more expensive OnePlus 8 Pro has single selfie camera. The OnePlus NORD even matches the OnePlus 8 Pro in rear camera arrangement. The OnePlus NORD will also arrive with quad rear cameras just like the 8 Pro. The actual camera sensors might not be the same as the 8 Pro, but the number of cameras is exactly the same. So to simplify, the OnePlus NORD has 6 cameras. The more expensive OnePlus 8, 4 cameras. The much more expensive OnePlus 8 Pro, 5 cameras. So yeah, things really don't make a whole lot of sense. The OnePlus NORD is almost half the price of the OnePlus 8 Pro and offers one more camera, comparable performance with high-end specs, which makes it a much more recommendable phone compared to the OnePlus 8 Pro. I'm not saying that the OnePlus 8 Pro is a bad phone, it's a good phone, although it has some display problems. Yes, even in India, some Indian units have also been reporting green tint and hole punch band, but that's not the point. It's a good phone, the OnePlus 8 Pro, but the OnePlus NORD is a much better value for money. The smartphone is going to be released in India on 10th of July, so that is less than 15 days from today. The smartphone will be made available in India, then in Europe, and probably never will see the light of day in America. However, they could later decide to launch it in USA, but right now there are no indications of that happening. Let me know guys your thoughts about the 6 cameras of the OnePlus NORD in the comment section. I'm super hyped. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Give me a thumbs up because why not? Say hi to me on Twitter, and guys, thanks for watching.